See inside. You'd be surprised what you find. Take a glimpse inside my mind.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my wash day routine and how long it takes me to blow dry my 24 inches of natural hair. And how long it takes my 24 inches of natural hair to air dry. Girl. Welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. Today, darlings, I have something wonderful to share with you. Shout out to these beautiful people who sent me some gorgeous hair to review for you today. The robe is so silky. Not only did I receive a beautiful wig that I'm about to share with y'all, because it's glueless, honey, you don't have to worry about your edges lifting. It's a V part. We need to give the edges a break, okay? Natural hair, okay? Sometimes the natural hair needs a little break. In my box of treasures, they sent me this cute little bonnet in this gorgeous hot pink color. I don't know, it's giving Barbie girl vibe. I see that I have a wig cap, cute little clip, bling-a-rific, a melting band for when you do wear some wigs that you have to lay your edges down. Very stretchy. A powder brush for glowy skin, I don't know. And some lashes, child. Ooh, these are dramatic. So they sent me this beautiful kinky straight U-part wig, very natural looking. So this is 24 inches of kinky straight thick goodness, honey, and this is so natural looking. So this is what the inside of the cap looks like. Over the years of me growing out my hair, I've realized things that are very essential to me having long, healthy hair. One, leave it alone. I like to keep my hair locked away, safe and sound underneath a wig cap. I have 2 beautiful tatas and 3 heads of hair per day. Who's doing that? Not I. So I take myself out of the equation. Since I didn't braid my hair up, I'm gonna go ahead and just pull it back in a ponytail to put this V part on. Not really sure about how much to leave out. One of my favorite protective styles is the great grandmother of the V part and U part wig, and that is the half wig. I don't have to worry about making sure the edges are laid on my lace front. Honey, I live in Georgia. There's some struggle fronts out here. It's too hot in the summertime. Another thing is, I make sure that when I do purchase hair, it's natural. It is my texture. So that way when it swells up and frizzes up, because it's going to, it just looks that much more natural. Get a texture that blends with your natural hair texture, or whatever texture is growing out of your scalp at the moment. Get something that matches that. Dang, this thing got a lot of combs. So I didn't realize how many combs were in this bad boy, but it's not going anywhere. She's going to be very secure. The weather around here, I don't know about y'all or where you are, but it's been crazy, okay? It'll be sunshiny and beautiful one moment, and then the next is storms and rain. So I don't have time to sit and watch the Weather Channel to figure out what hairstyle I'm gonna pick. Natural textures is a must for me, especially here where it's crazy humid. I mean, it's like walking into somebody's mouth. And that, my dear, is that. How quick and easy was this? Like no time at all. The older I get, the more I appreciate simplicity. It's quick, it's easy, it's affordable. Slap it on, snap the combs. That took no time at all. I mean, quick, easy. And I'm just gonna do a light press because I really want it to blend in. I don't want it to be too silky. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. I think my heat's too high. Yo, my heat was way too high. Make sure you use heat protectant. know I've been wearing wigs for forever. And they have consistently helped me grow my hair because they help me hide my hair. For some reason when my hair is out, I don't know. I get hand and hair disease and I start messing around with it. And then I start looking at Pinterest and then I started thinking, oh, you know, it'd be really cool. I should probably lock it up. I should do this. I should do that. And I just wound up doing too much. When over and over and over again, I've proven to myself that the less I actually mess with my hair, the healthier it is, the stronger it is, the less I have to worry about doing protein treatments or any of that stuff. I went to go out and buy the whole Olaplex line because I saw some girl had some beautiful hair and I'm like, I don't even need all that stuff. Why did I do so much to my hair? Minimal heat and protective styling. Something like this. So take it from somebody who is a forever fan of Kiki straight and Kiki curly hair. You can't go wrong with this. It holds curls like a dream. It straightens out so beautifully and it looks like a press on natural hair. So I have so many people in my life who are not wig girls at all. The glue, the hold it down, the melting band, no ma'am. No. This is what I would recommend to them. To have a change. V parts and U parts are very beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about what if the lace lifts. You don't have to worry about anything. And the combs are combing, honey. She is engaged. She is not coming off. When people see you walking around with this on and they say, girl, how you get your hair so long? Just tell them rosemary water in a spray bottle. Y'all better go eat you one of these. I'm trying to tell you. So to my friend at church, girl, yes, you don't have to do all the stuff that I do when it comes to wigs. Get you a V part, U part, and you're gonna be good. And I'll see you Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. And you know, information will be down below. It's always nice talking to you guys. I'll see you later.
You're somewhat of a kindred spirit. You give me intimacy.